Michio Kaku just confirmed what many feared. NASA's discovery on Proxima b could rewrite the story of life in the universe. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering, are we alone in this vast universe? Or is there another world out there waiting to be discovered? The night sky has always inspired curiosity, hope, and a sense of mystery, drawing us to look up and dream about what lies beyond our reach. This timeless question has driven our greatest discoveries and wildest dreams, fueling the imagination of scientists, poets, and explorers alike. Each generation has sought answers, building ever more powerful telescopes and sending probes deeper into space, all in pursuit of that elusive sign of another Earth. In 2016, the discovery of Proxima Centauri b, an exoplanet orbiting the closest star to our solar system, captivated the world. For the first time, we had found a planet that seemed to echo the conditions of our own, orbiting a star just next door in cosmic terms. Just 4 light-years away, Proxima b felt like a cosmic neighbor, close enough to imagine visiting within a human lifetime. The distance, though immense, suddenly seemed a little less impossible, igniting new dreams of interstellar travel. Scientists called it a super-Earth, a rocky planet slightly larger than our own, possibly with mountains, valleys, and even oceans. Its surface, though alien, might not be so different from the landscapes we know, sparking visions of distant shores and uncharted wilderness. Most exciting of all, it orbits within its star's habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. This single fact transformed Proxima b from a distant curiosity into a real candidate for life, a place where the conditions might be just right for biology to take hold. The public was enthralled by the idea of an Earth 2.0 so close by, fueling hopes of finding life beyond our world. News of the discovery spread rapidly, sparking conversations, debates, and a renewed sense of wonder about our place in the cosmos. We imagined standing on its surface under the dim red glow of Proxima Centauri. With a year lasting just 11 Earth days, the sky would look unfamiliar, yet the possibility of walking on another world felt closer than ever before. Proxima b became the symbol of our search for a second Earth, a familiar yet alien world that might finally answer the question of our cosmic solitude. It represented the hope that somewhere out there we might find not just a new planet, but a new home. This was the promise of Proxima b, a new hope for life beyond Earth, and a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. The habitable zone is often called the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water and possibly life. It's a region around a star where a planet could in theory maintain temperatures suitable for oceans, rivers, and lakes. For decades, astronomers have searched for worlds in this elusive zone, hoping to find another Earth among the stars. Proxima b's location in this zone sparked excitement, suggesting rivers, lakes, and oceans could exist. The possibility of a world with familiar landscapes, shores, clouds, and maybe even rain captured imaginations everywhere. Could this be the long-awaited oasis in the cosmic desert? But the habitable zone is only a starting point. It's a broad guideline, not a guarantee. Scientists know that many other factors must align for a planet to truly be habitable. It doesn't account for a planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, or the nature of its star. Without a protective atmosphere or magnetic shield, a planet could be bombarded by deadly radiation or lose its water to space. Proxima b orbits a red dwarf, smaller, dimmer, and far more volatile than our Sun. These stars are known for their unpredictable behavior and frequent outbursts. To stay warm, Proxima b must orbit extremely close to its star, just 7.5 million kilometers away. That's over 20 times closer than Earth is to the Sun, placing it in a precarious position. This proximity likely means tidal locking. One side in perpetual daylight, the other in endless night. The planet's days and nights are frozen in place, creating extreme environments. Life, if it existed, would be confined to a narrow twilight zone between extremes of heat and cold. Only a thin sliver of the surface might offer conditions mild enough for survival. Red dwarfs are notorious for violent stellar flares, sudden bursts of radiation that can strip away atmospheres and sterilize surfaces. These flares can be hundreds of times more powerful than anything our sun produces. Proxima B's oasis may actually be a trap, offering warmth, but also exposing any potential life to deadly storms of radiation. The very conditions that make it seem promising could also make it inhospitable. The dream of a second Earth began to look far more complicated. What seemed like a paradise from afar revealed hidden dangers up close. The closer we looked, the more dangerous Proxima b appeared. In the search for life, even the most promising worlds can turn out to be deceptive oases. Recent NASA data has shattered our hopes for Proxima b's habitability. The planet is bombarded by radiation hundreds to thousands of times stronger than what Earth receives. Proxima Centauri's flares are not minor. They're cataclysmic, unleashing X-rays and ultraviolet light in devastating waves. In 2019, a single flare increased the star's brightness by 14,000 times in seconds, blasting Proxima b with lethal energy. Such radiation would strip away any atmosphere, leaving the surface exposed to the vacuum of space. Without an atmosphere, liquid water can't exist, only boiling or freezing extremes. The idea of a tranquil Earth-like neighbor has been replaced by the reality of a barren radiation-scorched rock. Proxima b's environment is now understood as one of the most hostile imaginable. The planet had the right size and location, but its violent star doomed its chances for life. The universe, it seems, is far less forgiving than we once hoped. With NASA's confirmation, the verdict is clear. Proxima b is a hostile world shaped by forces far more extreme than anything found on Earth. The excitement of discovery has given way to a sobering reality. This planet, once a beacon of hope in our search for life, is instead a stark reminder of the universe's harshness. Life as we know it needs stability, protection from radiation, and liquid water, none of which Proxima b can offer. Its environment is relentlessly unforgiving with conditions that would destroy even the hardiest Earth organisms within moments. Its surface is bombarded by deadly radiation with no ozone layer or magnetic field strong enough to shield it. Solar flares from its parent star unleash torrents of charged particles, stripping away any hope for a stable atmosphere. Any water would have boiled away or escaped into space, leaving a sterile, airless desert. The planet's surface is likely a wasteland, scorched and barren, with no shelter from the relentless energy pouring down from above. The concept of habitability has evaporated under this harsh reality. What once seemed like a promising candidate for life is now a cautionary tale about the dangers lurking around other stars. This forces us to rethink our search for life. A planet's star is just as important as its size or location. The relationship between a planet and its sun can determine whether it's a cradle for life or a barren wasteland. Red dwarfs are the most common stars in our galaxy, and many host rocky planets in their habitable zones. At first glance, these systems seem like ideal places to search for life. But if Proxima Centauri's violence is typical, most of these worlds may be sterile. The very stars that make these planets visible may also doom them to lifelessness. Some speculate about life deep underground, shielded from radiation, but there's no evidence for this. Even if life could exist below the surface, it would be vastly different from anything we know. For now, the consensus is that Proxima b is inhospitable. The dream of finding a nearby Earth-like world has been dealt a harsh blow. The search for a true second Earth will be far harder than we imagined. Each discovery brings new challenges, forcing us to refine our expectations and our methods. Truly habitable worlds may be exceedingly rare, scattered like tiny oases in a vast cosmic desert. Yet, the search continues, driven by our enduring hope that somewhere another Earth is waiting to be found. Just as the case for life on Proxima b seemed closed, a new mystery emerged. In 2019, astronomers detected a strange radio signal BLC-1 coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri. The signal was narrowband, structured, and at a frequency rarely used by natural sources. It even showed a frequency drift as if coming from a transmitter on a moving planet. Months of analysis failed to explain it away as interference or a known source. The paradox, overwhelming evidence of a sterile world, yet a signal that hints at technology. The BLC-1 enigma deepened the mystery of our nearest stellar neighbor. The BLC-1 signal has sparked a new kind of space race, one of data, not rockets. The Breakthrough Listen team and China's Fast Telescope are both searching for a repeat of the signal. If BLC-1 is truly extraterrestrial, it would be the most profound discovery in history. Both teams are cautious, ruling out every possible natural or human-made explanation. As of mid-2025, the signal hasn't reappeared, adding to the mystery. Was it a one-time event, a fluke, or a genuine message from another civilization? The world's greatest observatories remain fixed on Proxima Centauri, waiting for another whisper from the stars. The race for answers continues. The story of Proxima b is a microcosm of science itself. Soaring hopes, sobering realities, and enduring mysteries. We dreamed of a second Earth, only to find a world scoured by radiation. Yet, just as we were ready to move on, the BLC-1 signal reignited our imagination. Proxima b teaches us that the universe is stranger and more complex than we expect. Our search for life must go beyond looking for Earth's twin. Even the most promising worlds can have fatal flaws. The paradox of a hostile planet and a possible technosignature pushes us to think bigger. The mystery itself drives discovery, keeping our curiosity alive. The saga of Proxima b reminds us the greatest adventures are still ahead, waiting in the silent darkness of space. The universe always has more surprises in store. As technology advances, our tools grow sharper, and our reach into the cosmos stretches further than ever before. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and future interstellar probes may yet reveal truths about Proxima b and countless other worlds. Each faint signal, each speck of light, could be the key to unlocking one of the greatest questions in history. Even if Proxima b is a dead world, its story is very much alive, driving inquiry, fueling dreams, and expanding the frontier of human understanding. What we learn from one seemingly barren planet may one day lead us to another full of life. Hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts below, and let's keep exploring the together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next.